Westminster Shorter Catechism, Question and Answer 24. Quaestio vicesima et quarta. Quomodo prophetae munere defungitur Christus? Responsio, Christus defungitur prophetae munere, voluntatem Dei in salutem nostram, nobis per verbum suum spiritumque revelando. Question 24. How, in what way, quo modo, in what way, the prophet's office, the office of a prophet, does Christ fulfill? The subject here is Christus, masculine singular nominative. The verb is the deponent defungitur, third conjugation defungor, and the second principal part defungi, its deponent. It always patterns with an ablative of instrument, munere, which is neuter, singular, and ablative. How does Christ fulfill the office of a prophet? Prophetae is a first declension masculine singular genitive. And then the answer, responsio, Christ fulfills, Christus defungitur, repeating the wording of the question. Prophetae munere, the office of a prophet. The will, voluntatem, this is feminine singular and accusative. We'll see why it's an object. The will of God unto our salvation, to us, through his word, per verbum suum, spiritumque, and his spirit, by revealing it. Revelando is a gerund, that is a verbal noun, from the first conjugation verb, revelo, revelare, like so. Here it's in the ablative and ablative of instrument. So he fulfills, the office of a prophet in this way. The means, the answer to quo modo is revelando, by revealing the will of God, voluntatem Dei, in here used with the accusative for purpose, under the purpose of our salvation, both of these feminine singular and accusative, by revealing the will of God unto our salvation and revealing it to us, nobis, masculine plural, and dative indirect object of the verbal idea in this verbal noun revelando, this gerund. He does this per verbum suum, through his word, and que, through his spirit, spiritum. Both verbum and spiritum are accusative. The one verbum is neuter singular, and spiritum is masculine singular. And here is one of the authors of the Westminster Standards, Edwardus Reynolds, Episcopus Norwicensis, the Bishop of Norwich, who lived from 1599 to 1676 A.D.